the next part of our webinar is report design. And the first question is, do we replace Excel with Power BI, yes or no? Shortly, Power BI is extending the functionality of Excel. These are like two brothers. They are built on the same platform. They are sharing results. Power BI can publish to Excel, Excel can publish to Power BI, and they're really working good, and they can be used in different scenarios. So in most cases, because Power BI will look more as a front end, it will be used as a front end on mobile and on the web, and this will be on the road. But of course, I would like to have also, if I'm in the office, a web browser, giving me the dashboards of my business. But if you are an accountant or controller or someone using it heavily, then you will be in Excel. So for example, let's see why and how. For the beginning, we will open, let's go first on our web page. Okay, and the web page is here. Let's go for receivables. You can have a look at all the Power BI reports on our web page here. And receivable is already here. See sales, purchase, receivables, inventory, and so on. So let me go again to the receivables. It's fast. I mean, Microsoft Cloud is working like hell, really very fast, very good. Don't notice this is, why would you have on-premise if you have such a cloud? Security, sure, but speed, you have it here. So this is good. You see, I have here a report that I can do some slicers and so on, and I can select something from my folder here, and this is okay. And then I can publish this to the web and have it mobile and so on. So mobile, and it's good. Now, if we have a look into BI4 Dynamics reports that we connect to the cubes. So let me see one receivables, okay? And let me just open it here. We have the same measures here. Of course, there are more reports and different situations because this is more mature, but the key point here is this part, okay? Let me see. Let me show you. I'm analyzing receivables, and this is something that can't be done really in Power BI. I mean, it can be done, but not that fast and that powerful. So now analysis services woke up, and I'm looking into receivables over time, and I would like to know the structures of my receivables, and I would like to see this before due and overdue, and this is the structure. So because I have Excel 2010, I can bring in Excel once again and show this as a percent of column total. I have only one option here, and I do the conditional formatting, and what I see that this is getting more and more red, so I filter, and I don't need this guy anymore, and I'll have a look at the due analysis. I'm doing this every day, so don't worry about this. About my customer, so okay, like this, I sort largest to the smallest, bring conditional format, not conditional formatting, but some slicers here, like this, not the slicers actually. Too many members, just focus on top 10, so that see why our structures are not good. Okay, so this is what I have to redesign. Okay, I have to be here and change data type into this one here. Okay, good. And I would like to speak about these customers. This is overdue, and let me go to the document level to see what is really we are speaking about. So I'm showing you the ad hoc reporting that Excel is doing excellent. When you have a data warehouse-based solution, then you have all the details with a few clicks. You see 60,000 is a problem overdue, and if I need to get more, I just skip this one, and I bring in a salesperson and say, hey, John, just call this customer and say why they are 2 years overdue. I mean, that's not for John. Maybe it's ready for legal steps to be taken. But actually, you have seen how fast you can do really a lot with Excel. Now, Power BI has different role, and putting this to the web, to the dashboard, do the modeling here, perfect. So definitely what we believe is that Power BI is extending where Excel is not strong. Power BI is coming. And let me tell you, the price is not an issue. Whatever the current price in dollars, pounds, or in euros, that is affordable to all of the customers and partners that I've been speaking about. This is not an issue. So you may not have Power BI for, this is the paid pro version, right? This is a yearly fee. You will not have all the users on a Power BI, but some of the users, salespeople, management will be here, and more office-oriented people will be using still Excel. Good. And we have been focusing on front-end functionality. We didn't, compare the back-end data modeling features because Power BI here is much better. But Excel can connect to Power BI, so yeah. So this is it. A few things about the visuals. When creating the reports, you may have noticed that Microsoft announced that you can import different parts here in the Power BI visuals, and this is a gallery, and this is coming down from Power BI visuals. This is a list. There are about 30, and I was expecting to have more, but actually, yeah, obviously it's difficult to create and fulfill all the requirements, because you can submit one and you can have it and put it with your logo or something, but most of them are coming from Microsoft. And I would encourage you to have a look and try and use those there are. We are using attribute slicer. That is a very good part. This one, if you want to select only one member, so this is this guy here. You see, it's filtering what we are looking here. And the chiclets, this is a better filtering slicer. You can design it a little better. Okay, so but actually I can tell you I was expecting to have like 50 or 100 more, but definitely because Power BI is developing every month, it's difficult to follow for the others.